Do you recognize that little guy there? Do you recognize that little guy there? Yeah. Yeah, there's a bird. He's squalling for food. And I guess they're gonna have to go get you some bites. They're gonna have to give you some bites. Oh, look at that. He's got a new egg today. And how old are you, little baby? He is how old? 6 weeks and 3 days old? Oh my. Alright, here's something else. Oh, it's getting feisty, isn't she? Oh, that's gonna get you, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's get you. Oh. Oh, look at that yeast. Oh, that yeast is mad. Easy, mama. Hi, mama, hi. Oh, good girl. Look at that little egg. Look at that little egg. And what did Daddy do to the egg? Did Daddy do anything to the egg? Yes, Daddy did. Daddy marked it. Look right there on the egg. 1. He said, I'm going to cover up that egg. Yeah, you good girl. He sure Daddy loves you.